is for us have come, lifting high above now. Remo Secondary School shine forth the light. Remo Secondary School.
Trust, transformation, and tomorrow. The science we need for 2025. That is the theme for this year's World Science Day. The reason why UNESCO established World Science Day is to make every nation in the world to be strong, to know more about science, to bring up innovation, to discover a lot of things that we don't know. All over the world today, we are celebrating World Science Day. They want us to know more about science, to have knowledge about technology. All of us, we are shouting today, AI, AI, AI. It is part of it. The theme for this year is to encourage every one of us, especially you students, to embrace curiosity and to explore wonders of science in today's world. Like those boys that built the car. You are curious, it's not out of curiosity that made him to do that car. That those cars moving on the road, how was it made? Out of curiosity, he made one. And you know, that is how it starts. It starts from your imagination. When you hear something or you see something, you are curious. You want to know how that thing came about. That was what prompted these two boys. One is building a car, the other one is building a heavy-duty truck that excavates.
We lead the way for God and for
Happy World Science Day! Happy World Science Day!
of school.